Hey Charm Squad, this is Envy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I upload new videos. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my PR from NailedAF and Red Iguana. I want to take a moment to thank them so very much for the amazing items that I got in my PR box. And again, I am so grateful for the opportunity to be an ambassador for both NailedAF and Red Iguana. Today, I'm just going to unbox the items, and I'm actually going to come back in a separate video and show you guys some of the things like swatching of certain things. So the NailedAF package was on top. It does have a separate welcome letter, of course, comes, and I love her aesthetic. Oh my gosh, the whole tropical vibe. I love it. It's absolutely great. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open everything, you guys, and then I will be back at the end. Everything will be left in the description box below. I will let you guys go ahead and enjoy everything. After everything from NailedAF, I will go ahead and open up the Red Iguana stuff. So I'll be back shortly. Again, I will leave everything that I get in the description box below in case you want to go ahead and purchase these items, because they are available for purchase on the websites. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in and say something about these metal files and buffing little sticks from Stylix Pro. They're absolutely amazing. They do save time and space because you have the disposable items that you can just switch out. That is a little buffing block that I have. I absolutely love it. And this is for the nail file. You can put things on both sides, or you can just simply do one side. Either way, they're absolutely perfect. Okay guys, so this is the Red Iguana items. It has its very own welcome letter in it. It tells you, welcome to the team and enjoy my PR goodies. I love you guys so much. Then you get to go into all of these wonderful things. Guys, you're going to see those glitters fall out as soon as I start opening stuff. You will see them pile up. And if you don't already know what I do with the glitters, go to check out my Instagram page and you will see the beautiful, lovely nail set that I created with these.
Me tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena. Ay,
Hey guys, I did just want to jump in and let you know I did choose to just show you guys everything, but trust I will open it at the end of the video, so you guys will see it in a minute.
Desde que te vi, yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena. Yo no sé cómo lo hace, baby, déjame ser el que te complace. En mi mente corriendo base, me quedo contigo, pase lo que pase. Baby, espero que me ames, me tiene volando en el cielo como las aves. Ey, en el Pambinanes, todo un sueño el debo, ya lo sabes. Juro que yo hago de todo pa' ti, como rábame todo de ti. Y yo te doy todo de mí, hay mujeres de todo pa' mí. Nena loca, me tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena.
Okay guys, so I did gather up all of my glitter and put it in a jar. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all the colors. This is banana. It's so gorgeous. I absolutely love this yellow. It is so pretty. And then I have Ibiza. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can't even begin. Look at how hot that color is. It is so perfect. Here I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the glitter. That's copper. So I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the names, and then I will show you all of the sugar glitters. They are to die for, you guys. So super sparkly. I love them.
See your eyes in every stranger. I replay the way that we were till I'm high. No, it's not right. I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. I miss you kissing me like you used to, like only you do. You know the good things are never as good as the bad, and your love is better than anything I've ever had. Oh, I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. I know you're gone, and you probably just forgot me, yeah, you're moving on. But I can't let go, 'cause I'm still sleeping with the moments, lying with your ghost. Now I'm dancing around my living room. I get drunk on the thought of you and I, and you're not mine. But I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. I miss you kissing me like you used to, like only you do. You know the good things are never as good as the bad, and your love is better than anything I've ever had. Oh, I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. Heart overhead, and I guess I love to watch the way you make me into a mess. I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. I miss you kissing me like you used to, like only you do. You know the good things are never as good as the bad, and your love is better than anything I've ever had. Oh, I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. You know the good things are never as good as the bad, and your love is better than anything I've ever had. Oh, I miss you missing me like you used to. This is for my day one. Don't forget the one ones I made, yeah. Deep south sweating out.
Hey everybody, we are getting close to the end of the video. These are the last two colors from the Sugar collection. I will leave everything in the description box below, and you guys, you can go ahead and go over to their site so that you can purchase these items if you want, and of course you can use my code NB10 to save some money. Oh my gosh, yes, Priya, I saved the last one for you. Look at that black sugar glitter. I know you love it. It's so pretty. Anyways, you guys, this is the end. So I just showed you guys a quick overview of everything that I got. Again, Red Iguana, NailedAF, thank you so very much. You guys, I want to thank you so very much for watching today with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Stay blessed. Bye.